let's talk about a landwake of Gipsol error fix. DirectX not working in a simple and calm way will go step by step.
But don't let the darkness consume your gaming experience just yet. In this video, we'll walk through a series of proven troubleshooting steps and solutions to banish those stubborn Gipsol errors. Prepare to reclaim your journey into the unknown and finally experience a landwake of the way it was meant to be played.
First things first, outdated graphics drivers are a notorious culprit for DirectX issues. Head straight to your manufacturer's website, NVIDIA or AMD, and grab the very latest game-ready drivers performing a clean installation. If possible, after that, navigate to your game launcher, be it Steam or Epic Games, and verify the integrity of a landwake's game files. This simple step can fix corrupted data that might be triggering those errors.
Next, ensure your operating system is fully up to date. Windows updates often include critical direct runtime components that are essential for modern games. Open your Windows settings, check for updates, and install any pending ones, while less common for newer titles. If you suspect the DirectX component is missing, you can manually try installing the DirectX end-user runtime web installer, though Windows usually handles this automatically now. If the errors persist, let's look at the game itself. Try launching a landwake with significantly reduced graphics settings, especially texture, quality, and global illumination, which can stress your GPU and RAM. Consider trying the game in windowed mode or disabling full-screen optimizations via the game's executable properties. For some users, adding a specific launch option like Mixout in the game launcher can force it to use an older, more stable API as a temporary fix if the game supports it. Finally, let's examine your system environment. Double-check that your pack actually meets a landwake's minimum system requirements, especially for your GPU, and crucially, try disabling any third-party overlays. Think Discord, NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, or MSI Afterburner, as these applications can sometimes clash with the game's rendering engine and cause DirectX instability. A clean system with minimal background processes often provides the most stable gaming experience.